Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Xapo application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to download Xapo application for your Android device, open up your Play Store. Make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you are, search for Xapo into the search box. Once you do that, you should see this kind of a search result over here. You'll be able to see an application called Xapo Bank. Xapo Bank is your gateway to an international USD bank account, Bitcoin access, and secure storage for your funds. In order to download the application, tap on the install button in green. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android device, which might only take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always be sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading an application. Xapo is a Gibraltar-based company that provides a Bitcoin wallet combined with a cold storage vault and a Bitcoin-based debit card. Once the application gets downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch the app open, and there you have Xapo application installed on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download the app for free on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.